Welcome back to MarineMax. My name is Leo Johnson, and today you join me aboard our latest brokerage listing. This is a 2025 Sea Ray Boats 400 SLX Outboard. It's a phenomenally kept example with just about 30 hours, powered with the twin Mercury V12 600s. This particular boat is finished in the classic white exterior color. The dune interior you see here, it's got lots of great options that I'll show you here on this video today. First awesome feature on this Sea Ray SLX 400 is nicknamed the Entertainer for good reason. It's got a swiveling back seat rest here, as well as a fold down beach mode that folds with just the push of a button here. Which really extends that entertainment space when you're out on the water. If you pair this with your rear sunshade that is retractable, you get a great entertainment zone at the back of the boat to be in and out of the water and customize it to your liking. As we step inside the boat, this particular model is optioned with the seagrass flooring. We do have a teak table for this boat as well that's stowed away at the moment. You see you've got a lot of seating here for your passengers, as well as a great entertainment center over here on your starboard side. This particular boat is equipped with the 2 grills, 2 refrigerators. You've got a nice sink in here made out of stainless steel, as well as a dedicated trash can and recycling bin under here. Great storage on this boat as well throughout all of the seats. You've got storage for paddleboard, dock lines, fenders, things like that, as well as several spots for dedicated cooler storage aboard this boat. Here on your passenger side, you're gonna have a nice double wide Helm chair that swivels a full 180 and allows you to expand your entertainment zone that much more. Additionally, over here at the helm, you've got a lot of great control on this boat for all sorts of items. It's a great comfortable place to run from, sitting high up on the bolster, or with the flip of your bolster here, you can sit nice down low with a great footrest as well. With those V12 600s, they are paired with the Mercury digital throttle and shift system here, as well as the Mercury joystick piloting. This boat's also going to have autopilot and several other features with the joystick piloting. You've got 2 large Simrad screens here for multifunctions. You can use them for charts, for navigation. You can look at your engine data and actuate your swim platform, sunshade, things like that. You've got a great switch panel here with things like your horn, your lights, and your Fusion Audio main head unit right over here. This particular boat is also equipped with the floodlight spotlight combo up at the bow, which is controlled from right here. As you follow me up to the bow on this boat, a couple notable things you'll see is that it's a single level here. There's no step up, so it's a nice smooth walkthrough. You've got dedicated storage for your upstairs television here on your walkthrough door. As we continue forward, you're also going to have a wind dam door here, which pairs very nicely with your fold-over windshield to give you protection from the elements. It's important to note that this boat is also equipped with the optional isinglass enclosure, which is on the boat and allows you to extend your season that much more. Coming further forward, you've got a very large bow space up here. You've got a stereo head unit, cup holders galore, and USB chargers for your forward passengers. Right now we've got the bow filler cushion installed. There's also an optional table that is equipped on this boat that can be put up in this area. Last but not least, here at the bow, you're gonna have great control here for your windlass anchor system and easy access to the chain and rode as well. Let's hop down below and check out the cabin. Even with its phenomenal topside entertainment capabilities, this boat is a phenomenal weekender. Follow me downstairs, I'll show you some of the amenities down here. You've got 3 teak treaded steps here down into the forward berth. You're gonna have full climate control down here with both heat and air conditioning. Right now we've got the table down and the front section laid out. It's a great place to lounge. You've got a TV and a sound bar here, as well as a refrigerator and a microwave oven. Great storage throughout behind the seat backs, as well as great access to your electronic controls right here. You've got a porthole on starboard, as well as some great cabinetry up top. Here on your starboard side, you're also going to have a large head compartment with a shower, with a vacuum flush head. Got storage under the sink, as well as medicine cabinet style storage up above. And last but not least, down here, you've got a nice double wide berth underneath the stairs with an additional television and plenty of storage. This 2025 Sea Ray 400 SLX is a freshwater boat kept on Lake Norman, North Carolina its whole life. It's available for showing by appointment only. Give me a call if you want to check it out in person. Thanks for watching.